Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dimas Aditya Patraman. What NPM 2241100 My from class management 22A. Next. Here I will explain material about definition of selection and placement. Next. Selection is the process of selecting or determining someone or something based on certain criteria or parameters. In various contexts, selection can refer to the selection of employees in the recruitment process, selection of goods or service. Placement. Placement is the action or process of determining an appropriate location or position for someone, something, or an activity. In the context of recruitment and human resource, references are placed on placing employees in certain position or title according to their qualification, skill, and experience. Next, basis of selection. Government labor policy. Act selection prohibiting discrimination against skin, religion, and ethnicity. Job specification principle. The right man of the right place and the right man behind the right gun. Economically rational. Cost, time, and talk are utilized effectively so that effective result can be accounted for. Social ethic. Pay attention to legal norm, religion, culture, and custom of society as well as the law applicable in the country concerned. Next, selection objective. 1. Get qualified and potential employees. 2. Get loyal and highly dedicated employees. 3. Competitive advantage. In the business world, product or service selection can help a company to have a competitive advantage by offering better product or service than competitor. 4. Get innovative and responsible employees. 5. Get employees who work independently. And the last, reduce employee absenteeism and turnover rate. Next, method for determining the number of employees. Non-scientific method. In the method, the number of employees required is only based on estimate. This method will result in the number of employees here not being in accordance with the volume of work required, resulting in losses. Scientific method. In this method, the number of employees who will be accepted is strictly based on the calculating and analyzing of workload and work performance standard. Workload analysis is the determination of the number of workers required for complete the work within a certain time period. Next, selection qualification. 1. Age. 2. Expertise. 3. Physical health. 4. Education. 5. Gender. 6. Physical appearance. 7. Talent. 8. Emotional level. 9. Character. 10. Work experience. 11. Cooperation. 12. Honesty. 30. Discipline. 34. Initiative and creative. Next, selection step. Accepting job application. Preliminary interview. Psychological test. References check. Selection interview. Direct superior approval. Medical examination. Orientation. Next, conclusion. 1. Selection is an important process in human resource management which aims to select individuals who best suit the needs and criteria set by one organization. 2. The selection process involves steps such as collecting application, interview, skill test, and psychometric assessment to assess the candidate ability and suitability. 3. Placement is the act of placing selected individual in certain role or position in the organization. Proper placement is critical to individual and organizational success. 4. Selection and placement objective include seeking the best quality, increasing efficiency, ensuring conformity with criteria, and meeting organizational needs. 5. The selection and placement process must be fair, transparent, and in accordance with applicable law and ethical standard. 6. Using diverse and valid evaluation method in selection and placement can help organization get the best result. 7. As time goes by, it is important to continually monitor and evaluate selection and placement processes to ensure that they remain relevant and effective. There are several important points that can be taken as conclusion from the presentation regarding selection and placement. Hopefully, this provides a better understanding of this important concept and practices in human resource management. Okay, that's all my presentasi. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.